learning languages, if you know just a few words in a language, and the most important word to learn is thank you. I once went into a restaurant in Chicago. I don't have a cell phone, and I wanted to make a call. And I thought it was an Arabic restaurant. And I asked the man, could I please use his phone and I'd be glad to pay. I wanted to make a call. And he says, is it local? And I said, yes, it is. And he said, okay. And I thought he was Arabic, and I said to him, shukran, which is thank you in Arabic. And he said, sir, I am not an Arab. I am Turkish. And I said, excuse me, teşekkür ederim, which is thank you in Turkish. You can imagine his surprise. And I've done that in Korean restaurants. I could say thank you in Korean. I know a little Greek, thank you. And it really breaks the ice into pieces. There's no barrier right away. It's a wonderful thing.